just bought a card by itself.
Good afternoon. We're doing 18-19 Cello basketball for Rob. Good luck, Rob. Oh no, Tony.
If you're doing research and you find stuff that's selling on eBay for that kind of price, I'll just list it on eBay. There's no way. I don't have the time to list stuff like that. Yeah.
Tony, we have 2 to 3 million cards in store.
I really don't know what to say. I mean, like, well, I don't want to say that because somebody is buying it. I don't know who. You know what I mean? Like, there's always somebody out there to buy stuff. And especially if you're talking about massive quantities, like hundreds of thousands of cards or something like that. I would try, I mean, I don't know how active you are, but I would try Facebook and, you know, like Craigslist and eBay if you want to, but on eBay, you're going to find a way to ship it.
A lot of them are not have little value. This is why they haven't sold.
Yeah.
Hey Justin, how you doing, man? Yeah, I have Contenders Draft basketball from earlier this year. I have a box of that, and I think I have a case of it. I don't have anything first off the line. We're never lucky enough or whatever. Don't try anymore on that. Don't have any interest, to be honest. Football, I mean, we have Optic. I have Obsidian football. I have a box of Immaculate football, yeah. We'll have Contenders tomorrow, but... Stuff I have cases of. I have cases of Origins, Best, Optic, Collectors, Bowman Draft, Donruss Basketball, Hoops Basketball, more of this. Man, I haven't even looked on Contenders. I'll price it tomorrow. Usually I'm cheaper than the big online guys. So what are they at? $250, $300 a box. There you go, right off the back. Well-centered Luka. Nice. Pretty well, it might be off a little bit, but pretty well centered. Good luck. Here we go. Anthony Simons, Marvin Bagley, Billy Preston, Robert Williams, Ayton. Guess I should sleeve him. How's he doing? Anybody? I haven't looked in a while. Me Too Silver. Wagner. Trae Young. Oh, let me sleeve those. Get all the rookies. Dennis Smith, Miles Bridges, Michael Bridges Silver, Iverson Silver Dominance, Brunson, DeRozan, Milos Silver, Emergent Silver Lonnie Walker, Bagley, good luck on the second half. Sexton Silver. Come on, Trae or Luka, right here. Let's see. Mobamba. Man, we got all the top draft picks. We just need a Trae and a Luka. Curry, Garnett, and that's the box. Rob, thank you very much. Let me know if you want any more. Congratulations on the Luka Red, White, and Blue.